Dear viewers, today, the focus of my presentation is types of teacher education programs. Dear viewers, let us first try to understand types of teacher education programs. In India, teacher education programs play a crucial role in preparing educators who are capable of meeting the diverse needs of the country's education system. These programs vary in terms of duration, level, and focus. Here are the main types of teacher education programs in India. Bachelor of Education. Duration, typically, a 2-year program. Focus, Bachelor of Education programs are designed for graduates who wish to pursue a career in teaching. The curriculum includes pedagogical training, subject-specific methodology, and practical teaching experiences. 2. Diploma in Elementary Education. Duration, usually a 2-year program. Focus, Diploma in Elementary Education programs are specifically designed for candidates aspiring to become primary school teachers. The curriculum covers foundational pedagogy, child development, and subject-specific teaching methods. 3. Integrated Bachelor of Education. Duration, a 4 to 5-year integrated program. Focus, Integrated Bachelor of Education programs combine undergraduate studies with teacher education. Students graduate with a bachelor's degree in arts or science along with a Bachelor of Education degree, making them eligible for teaching positions. 4. Master of Education. Duration, typically a 2-year program. Focus, Master of Education programs are postgraduate degrees that provide advanced training in education. They are suitable for individuals seeking leadership roles in education, curriculum development, or research. 5. Postgraduate Diploma in Education. Duration, 1 to 2 years. Focus, Postgraduate Diploma in Education programs are designed for graduates with a non-education background who wish to become certified teachers. They provide foundational knowledge in education and teaching methodologies. 6. Master of Philosophy, M.Phil, in Education. Duration, usually 1 or 2 years. Focus, M.Phil programs in education are research-oriented and prepare candidates for advanced research and teaching positions. They often involve a thesis or dissertation component. 7. Doctor of Philosophy, Ph.D., in Education. Duration, variable, typically 3 to 5 years. Focus, PhD programs in education are research-intensive and are designed for individuals interested in contributing to the field through original research. PhD holders often pursue careers in academia, research, or policy making. 8. In-service teacher education programs. Duration, variable, ranging from short-term workshops to extended courses. Focus, in-service teacher education programs cater to the professional development needs of practicing teachers. They cover topics such as pedagogy, curriculum updates, technology integration, and inclusive education. 9. Distance education programs. Duration, variable, depending on the program and level. Focus, several teacher education programs, including B.Ed and D.L.Ed, are offered through distance education. These programs provide flexibility for working individuals or those unable to attend traditional classroom settings. 10. Specialized training programs. Duration varies based on the specialization. Focus, specialized programs exist for teachers focusing on specific areas, such as special education, inclusive education, early childhood education, and subject-specific pedagogy. 11. State-specific programs. Duration, variable. Focus, some states in India have their own teacher education programs that align with regional educational needs and policies. These may include state-specific certification programs or diploma courses. 12. Online teacher education programs. Duration, variable, ranging from short courses to comprehensive programs. Focus, with the rise of online education, Several institutions offer teacher education programs through digital platforms. These programs provide flexibility for individuals who cannot attend traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoking Bilal.